Hi and welcome to OnceHub video tutorials. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use workload management to ensure your team's booking schedule remains balanced and productive. Let's face it, too many bookings in a day or week can burn anyone out. That is where workload management comes in. It helps by setting a limit on how many bookings a team member can receive per day, week, or month. Each booking calendar has its own independent booking limit. Even if the same host is assigned to multiple calendars, bookings in one calendar will not impact the limit in another. This keeps workload distribution clear and controlled. So let's get started. You will first need to log into your OnceHub account. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page. Here, go to the booking calendars on the left hand side. Select a calendar you want to edit. In the Booking Settings tab, look for Host and Co-host section. Click Edit next to the host name. On the Workload Manage page, click the checkbox and select the bookings limit you need, daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Adjust the number of bookings. Once done, hit Apply and hit Save. And that's it. Workload limit is set for your team member at the booking calendars level. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.